A new year has arrived, and now is a good time to use the feeling of a fresh start to make some important moves and changes as a homeowner. Here are 3 insurance-related resolutions that you can take on this year. Number 1. Create an inventory. Home insurance is more than just a set of coverages that protect the structure you live in. Home insurance can secure the contents inside of your home as well. If a loss occurs inside your home, you could lose countless belongings. Your home insurance policy can help reimburse and replace those items. Unfortunately, in the event of a fire or theft, there may be no evidence left that you ever had those belongings in the first place. Without this proof, it's hard for an insurance adjuster to accurately assess the cost of replacing your items, making it difficult for your insurance company to fairly compensate you. This is why keeping a detailed inventory with receipts and pictures can be a lifesaver. Number 2. Limit liability risks. In part, the liability portion of your home insurance policy can protect you in the event that someone gets injured on your premises. For instance, if someone slips on your sidewalk on an icy day, you can be covered should they need medical assistance or take legal action against you. With that in mind, the best course of action is always to limit your risk of someone getting injured on your property beforehand. Take a prevention-first approach. Repair rickety or dilapidated steps, install handrails if you don't already have them, and of course, clear ice and snow when it comes about. These precautions can help prevent injury. Number 3. Consolidate your insurance. You've probably heard of bundling your insurance policies, but there's actually more to consolidating your insurance than just bundling your home and auto to save a few bucks. When you bring all of your insurance needs to one agency, that agency now has access to all of your policies and the coverages they entail. This can help prevent blind spots or gaps in your coverage. An independent insurance agency, like us, Sidle Insurance, can then help you revise and maintain an insurance strategy where all parts work together in a cohesive fashion. Not to mention, since we are an independent agency, we don't work for just one insurance company. This means we can compare insurance options from a number of insurance companies and figure out which one is the best and most affordable for you. To learn more, give us a call at 607-535-6501 or visit us on the web at sidleinsurance.com.